Hello, dear friends. I hope you are well. In this video, I talk about one of the most exciting cars. Nissan Ariya. Wow. Subscribe to my channel to be a professional mechanic to have all the car information. After watching the video, comment on which part of the car was interesting to you. Nissan is expanding its line of electric vehicles with the 2023 Ariya SUV, which will go on sale in the US in fall 2022. The Ariya will join the Leaf hatchback in the Nissan showroom and will offer up to 300 miles of driving range, which beats the Leaf's maximum of 226. The Ariya's design represents a shift from the current sharp, angular lines seen on many of Nissan's vehicles. The low, wide stance of the Ariya differentiates it from the Rogue and gives it a sportier look. Two different battery sizes will be offered. A 63.0 kWh battery is standard, and a larger 87.0 kWh pack is optional, as well as either front or all-wheel drive. A host of driver assistance features, infotainment tech, and convenience items will be included here, helping the 2022 Ariya compete with similarly sized EV crossovers, such as the Tesla Model Y and Hyundai Kona Electric. What's new for 2023? The Ariya is an all-new vehicle for Nissan. It features Nissan's new semi-autonomous driving system, ProPilot 2.0, which debuted on the Japanese market Nissan Skyline sedan. The Ariya is said to deliver up to 300 miles of driving range, but only when equipped with the optional dual front/rear motor drive configuration, and the larger 87.0 kWh battery pack. Pricing and which one to buy. Venture Plus, $47,125. Evolve Plus, $50,125. Premier, $54,625. Platinum Plus, $60,125. The Ariya's $47,125 starting price puts it above the Leaf and other affordable EVs, but under the base price of the Model Y. We're of the mindset that to successfully switch from gasoline to electricity, range is key, so we'd stick with the Entra-Leaf. Unlike the Leaf, which comes only with front-wheel drive, Nissan is pulling from features developed in other cars, including the GTR sports car's torque split system, to offer optional all-wheel drive via a dual front/rear electric motor configurati. Front-wheel drive models offer a claimed 0 to 60 mph time of 7.2 seconds according to Nissan, so if you're looking for more pep, consider the more powerful all-wheel drive Ariya, which is significantly faster. We estimate that model will zip from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5.0 seconds, a feat that is similar to higher-end electric vehicles. From what we've experienced so far, the Ariya provides a calm, stable ride which should please most buyers, but it lacks the sporty nature we driving enthusiasts prefer. Range, charging, and battery life. Nissan says the Venture Plus offers up to 300 miles of driving range per charge, which is quite the step up from the Leaf's maximum range of 226 miles. The Evolve Plus and Premier models offer up to 285 miles per charge, and the top-spec Platinum Plus is supposedly good for up to 265. Similarly sized vehicles include Jaguar's I-Pace and Audi's e-tron, which have 234 and 204 miles of range, respectively. Key rivals from Tesla offer claimed ranges of over 300 miles. The Ariya will be capable of charging at home on 110 or 240-volt outlets, as well as at public charging stations and even DC fast charging ports. Are they wonderful? If they are nice, like this video and subscribe me. Okay, let's go. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Ariya's interior looks futuristic and minimal. Nissan has discarded every button possible in pursuit of a smooth dashboard that favors a sleek look to match the design of the exterior. Despite Nissan's claim that the Ariya's cabin is unlike a traditional automotive interior, its minimalistic theme appears to be its sole unique trait. Not that the cabin doesn't look like a nice place to spend time. A flat, low floor creates a spacious feeling inside, and Nissan has incorporated its comfy zero-gravity seats into the design. The rear seat space is noticeably less generous than the front, but a pair of adults should still find it comfortable and roomy enough even for long-distance travel. Infotainment and connectivity. Dual 12.3-inch displays serve as both the digital gauge cluster and the infotainment screen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and in-dash navigation should all be standard features. The Ariya concept that was shown in 2019 had a feature that allowed the car to sync with the schedule of the driver, so it can preheat or pre-cool the interior while it's parked and charging, and therefore not draw on the power from the battery. The concept also showed off technology that would allow the driver to use their phone to park the Ariya automatically from a nearby location using ProPilot's Remote Park, a system similar to Tesla's Smart Summon feature. Nissan hasn't said yet if these features will make it to the production model. Safety and driver assistance features. Standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. Available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. Warranty and maintenance coverage. We predict the Ariya will come with the same basic warranty package as the Leaf when it goes on sale. That warranty should include a competitive bumper-to-bumper policy as well as battery protection that stretches over 8 years, or 100,000 miles. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Battery warranty covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance. NEW Nissan Ariya, now available to pre-order starting from £41,845. The Nissan Ariya is the brand's first purpose-built electric SUV. It's similar in size to the popular Qashqai SUV and will be an alternative to the Volkswagen ID.4, Skoda Enyaq and the upcoming Tesla Model Y when it went on sale in late 2021. The roof spoiler and full-length rear taillight are sporty touches that add further visual appeal to this family-friendly SUV. It bears some resemblance to the upcoming Skoda Enyaq iV Coupe rather than the traditionally more boxy SUVs currently on sale. The wooden dashboard trim and center console panel incorporate touch-sensitive controls that replace physical buttons. It's as simple and well-organized as Marie Kondo's filing cabinet. The Ariya's 2 large screens are the largest fitted to any Nissan. Which part of this car do you think is the most exciting? If you enjoyed watching the video, like it and share it with your car fan friends.